Chapter 2. Work, Power and Energy. Learning Objectives. Work, Power, Energy. Kinds of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Different forms of energy. Dissipation of energy. Examples of interconversion of energy. In ordinary language, work often refers to physical or mental effort, like working out in a gym or studying at school. However, in physics, work has a specific definition. It happens when a force applied to an object causes it to move in the direction of the force. For instance, when an engine moves a train along a railway line, it is said to be doing work. A horse pulling the cart is also doing work, and a man climbing the stairs of a house is also doing work in moving himself against the force of gravity. If there is no movement or the movement is not in the direction of the force, then no work is done in the context of physics. If you push against a wall with all your strength and it doesn't move, you've exerted effort but, in terms of physics, haven't done any work since there was no displacement. Similarly, someone holding a weight without moving isn't doing any work in the physics sense, even though it may be physically strenuous. To determine whether work has been done, several criteria must be met. A. A force must act upon the body. B. The force must result in some level of displacement. C. This displacement should align with the direction of the applied force or its resolved component. Absence of any of these conditions means that, scientifically, no work has been performed.